Authorities in Florida have released evidence, hundreds of pages of documents and photos, in their case against Casey Anthony, the Orlando woman accused of killing her 2-year-old daughter, Caylee. We're joined this morning by Lisa Bloom, a CBS News legal analyst. We're going to go through this. Lisa, good morning.
Good morning.
If you hear from the state attorney, they say that this evidence clearly points to Casey Anthony. But when you hear from the defense, they say if you dissect it, it really doesn't.
It's very important to remember this is a one-sided release of evidence. This is the law enforcement side. And there's a gag order in the case, so the defense can't really respond. They gave a limited response yesterday, but their real response will be in the courtroom.
Exactly. So let's go through some of it ourselves. First of all, the state attorney says that the duct tape found at the home is similar to the one that was found covering Caylee's mouth. They also found similar duct tape on a gas can at the home. The defense has said if there are no fingerprints on this duct tape, what does it mean? Well,
I think this is very important evidence for the state because this is duct tape that was found over the mouth of this little girl, also a heart-shaped sticker on top of that duct tape. And there's a match, according to the state, to duct tape and children's stickers that were found inside the home. So it certainly seems like the killer started out inside the Anthony home.
What about this diary that they found? The state attorney points to an entry in a diary of Casey Anthony where she says, I hope the end justifies the mean. I feel that I made the right decision. And they say it was dated June 21st.
That's
the
right.
family says, yeah, June 21st, 2003, before little Caylee was even born.
Right. This is going to be critical. What is the time frame of this diary? Was it made in 2003, which would be before little Caylee was ever born, or was it June 21st, 2008, 5 days after the little girl went missing? Because if that's so, when Casey, the mother, says, I'm very happy, I've never been so happy, I have no regrets, it makes her sound like a sociopath. Now, what I would expect is the ink in the diary can be stamped, it can be dated by forensic scientists, and they can tell when exactly those entries were made. So that will be critical, I think.
So if they're able to determine from the ink, the date, that could be
and
damaging or helpful, depending on what it shows.
Exactly.
Let's talk about laundry bags they say were found at the house and at the crime scene.
Yeah, this is also
conclusive?
Very disturbing. Not conclusive, but another little piece of evidence for the prosecution if it holds up in court. The little girl's remains were found inside of a plastic bag, inside of a laundry bag, and those items have now been matched to items inside the home.
Could the defense question all of this forensic science?
Absolutely. What they said yesterday, which has really been underreported, is that there was a big National Academy of Sciences report just released yesterday, a blistering report attacking crime labs and forensic evidence. And there's no question that there are serious problems. Now, Linda Kenny Bodden is one of the defense attorneys in this case. She's a very skilled scientific examiner. She's partly responsible for Phil Spector's jury hanging because of the attacks she made on the forensic scientists in that case. Many people thought that was a slam dunk case, so you can expect a big battle over the science, and you can expect that NAS report to be coming into this courtroom.
All right, Lisa Bloom, thank you for your insight
Thanks.
this morning.